打电话，打电话，打电话，
To make a phone call.
打电话。
It is composed of 3 different characters.
一打
Which means to beat or strike.
电
Which means electricity or light.
话话
Which means to talk. So the literal meaning is striking an electric talk. Which makes sense in phone call. Anyway, can further be decomposed. On left side, it is
手
meaning hand,
丁
which means male person.
眼
Which is radical for speaking.
舌
Which means tongue.
千 10,000 口口。他在打电话。他在打电话。
He is calling someone.
做做做
To do work. Or to do something. It is composed of 2 characters. On left side, it is
人
which is radical for people. On right side, it is
古
which means ancient. Ancient people had spent a very tough life due to lack of facilities. They had to work day and night to make their living. So, whenever ancient people is spoken, an image of hard-working person appears.
人
Which is radical for people.
你做不做？你做不做？
Will you do it or not?
买买买
To buy.
买
At the top, it is basic stroke.
横过
At the bottom, it is
头
which means head. In ancient times, usually had some kind of wooden plate on their head when they go for buying. This character of buying has similar pictography. Keep a plate on head when going to market for buying.
大
Which means big. Let's write it.
横过头你买什么？你买什么？
What are you buying?
开开开
To open. To open. On left side, it is
一
meaning 1. On right hand side, it is
拱
meaning 2 hands. You know, the process of opening some solid unit usually involves both hands. So, you can get the idea of opening by considering the above 2 characters. Let's write this character stroke by stroke.
一拱开门开门
Please open the door.
坐坐坐
Sit. Seat. Or ride.
人
People.
土
Soil or earth. Actually, soil or earth is the biggest seat for human being. You can sit on earth and can get the idea of seat when you see people sitting on earth. Let's write both characters step by step.
人土土请坐请坐
Please sit down.
住住住
To live. To live.
人
Radical for people.
主
Chief, owner or master. A person is chief or owner of the place he lives at. So, we can get the idea of living place when a person owns a place.
他住几楼？他住几楼？
Which floor does he live on?
学习，学习，学习，
To learn or to study.
学，
Learning, knowledge or school.
习，
Practice or flapping wings. So, studying is the process of learning and practicing. We've already studied both characters, so we'll not decompose them.
他不喜欢学习。他不喜欢学习。
She doesn't like studying.
工作，工作，
Work. Task. Operate. It is composed of two characters. On left side, it is
工，
which means labor. On right hand side, it is
作，
which means work. So, you can get the idea of job from this labor work. The right character is further composed of
人，
which is radical for people, and
炸，
which means first. Let's write this character stroke by stroke.
“工作忙吗？工作忙吗？
Are you busy at work?
下雨，下雨，下雨，
To rain. Or rainy. It is composed of two characters.
下
Which means down. On right side, it is
雨，
which means rain. So, rain down blowing down means it is raining. Is further composed of
点
Let's write it stroke by stroke.
“下雨了吗？没下雨。下雨了吗？没下雨。
Is it raining now? No, it isn't.
爱，爱，爱，
Love.
爱，
It is very simple character which is composed of crown at the top like the crown of the king. And bottom character is
有，
which means friend. So, a friend who is king of your heart is the friend you love most.
有，
Is further composed of some simple strokes. Hengpai and
有，
which means again.
“我爱你。我爱你。
I love you.